What up, though? This is Kevin Melson with Beyond Your Limits Basketball Training, and today I'm gonna bring you another progression drill. The last one we did got a lot of good response. That one, I have a card up there for you to click on. It was some low post moves that you could do. If someone stopped one, you could go to the next one. This will be a similar type video. This is once you beat your man off the dribble and there's defenders waiting for you down in the paint. There's a couple of moves that you can do. So I got those coming up for you in a minute. So before we do that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Each and every week we're coming out with new videos to help you become a better baller. And without further ado, let's get to the video. All right, first up, we just got a 2 feet takeoff for a layup. You want to jump off 2 feet for two reasons. First, it's a lot easier to finish through contact. You have a lot more balance when you jump off of 2 feet as opposed to jumping off one. And also, this is setting up the rest of your moves for the rest of this progression. So you just coming downhill, you beat your man, you jump stop to 2 feet and come up off 2 feet. You have a lot more balance and a lot better chance to get an and one, absorb the contact, and finish. Next up, we have a half spin. On all the moves, when you do your jump stop to 2 feet, you want to make sure that your feet are square with the backboard. This is to avoid you getting your shot blocked after you beat your man. If your feet are square to the backboard when you go up, he has to come over your back to block your shot. And you're not giving him a good angle to block your shot. So you want to make sure that you jump stop with your feet square with the backboard. You do your half spin. This is to get the defense off balance a little bit. And then you want to spin back to your original position and power up for the layup. I know you've probably seen a lot of NBA players do this move and they ended with a fadeaway jump shot. But for this drill, I want you to go up and power through for your layup. All right, now we're going to do a step through. You jump, stop, and square with your feet square with the backboard. We're pretending like the defense is trying to get over towards your right hand to get a block, and they've overextended themselves that way. So you're just going to take your right foot and step right past them for a layup with your left hand. For this last move, we're going to put them in the blender. You're just going to combine all the moves that we did up to this point into one move. All right, so you jump stopping on 2 feet, you're doing a half spin, but when you spin back, the defense is still there. So you're going to step through, step past them with your right leg and go up for your left-handed layup. All right, hit them with the kitchen sink. And with you going through all these moves on this progression, at some point during this move, you will have a good shot. There's simply no way for one defender to guard all these moves. So at some point during these moves, you will be able to get a good shot. And lastly, you want to make sure that you're practicing these moves on both sides of the floor. You want to be able to finish on the right side of the floor just as well as you can on the left. All right, thanks for watching all the way to the end. Hopefully you can implement those into your game and you can become unstoppable around the basket, finishing over and around big guys and whoever else might be in the paint. All right, if you got any value out of this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, as we got more content each and every week. Make sure you look down in that description. I also got three tips for you to score more points easily, make you a much more efficient scorer. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next week.